In prime time news this evening, FSC Executive Director resigns. In a TVJ News exclusive, woman details how she found out her identity was stolen. And brace for spike in private security fees.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're talking about food security. Yes, we all have to eat. The Caribbean Development Bank says the region must increase food production and manage the challenges linked to climate change. That and more in the Business Day.
And from Andrea, we go to Karen Madden with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Javon, you may recall the West Indies men's team embarrassing exit at the group stage of the last World Cup. And now a panel set up to review that debacle has made 34 recommendations. I will tell you what they are later.
Thank you so much, Karen. And Romaine will have the weather. Romaine Robinson will have the weather.
Thanks so much, Janella. We're still high and dry across most of the Caribbean. It's not until early next week that we should be seeing an increase in moisture and some possible rainfall across the Jamaica area.
Of course, more details later on in the weather report and forecast. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime. And of course, before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the resignation of the Executive Director of the Financial Services Commission, FSC, Everton McFarlane?
Now share those comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.